Hey guys, it's here. Welcome to this Hall of Fame interview, and I'm here with Jitesh Manwani from Indore. He came into our community over 9 months ago. He's a video sales specialist, and in the last 3 months, he's been able to achieve over 6,36,698 rupees in total revenue sales with a community of over 190 plus students who's going through his process. And the best part is I've seen Jitesh. We've attended many events together, Success Gyan and many other events. And it's amazing to see how Jitesh has been able to refine it, narrow it down, and now being able to monetize his niche. So last 3 months, 6.36 lakhs. Congrats, Jitesh. Welcome to the Hall of Fame.
Yeah. Thank you. Means a lot to be here, Siddharth. Means
Thank
a lot.
you. So tell us about I like to start on the journey. Like when you got into my course in April 2020, you had mentioned, so 9 months ago. What was running through your mind, and what made you get into this journey?
So I've been always a stage guy, following Blair. Not much into webinars, majorly into seminars and workshops. Very typical model. You have a half a day seminar, then you take a 3-day workshop, and then you upsell, and that's what the game was. And it really picked up. It really picked up in 18, 19. 19 was brilliant for us. We did a lot of events, and in Indore only we used to get 100 or 200 people in our events.
Nice.
And everything was perfect. And then we went to Raipur. Did a brilliant event there, got good business and got a good team, big team, 8-9 people in my team. So we scaled up in 2019.
Okay.
And we all know what happened. And then I thought that what should I do? I know my subject. I've been into business coaching. So it was business coaching that time. But as we talked and as I understood that the game is more narrow, the game is more micro. So in one of your hackathons, I saw a video sales specialist, and it just struck the chord. You just feel it. What I feel is you just feel it, and you were making the whole, the sheet,
I was using that as an example.
Yes, as an example. And I thought that this is it, because I've been always using videos in my past to promote my life coaching, to promote my business coaching. So Suren is a mentor of mine. Blair is a mentor of mine. You are a mentor. I have so beautiful mentors in my life. And Suren actually asked me, so what I was doing, can I share a little bit of that as well?
Please.
Because how did I reach to business coaching? So this is from business coaching to video sales specialist, which is micro. But I was struggling really a lot in life coaching. I was trying a lot. We were in the same journey. We used to meet. And then I was in close touch with Suren on call and WhatsApp. And I was asking him, Suren, what should I do? What should I do? He said, Jitesh, why don't you put in some business angle to it, business development. You're doing PD. It has to be a little bit of BD as well, because people are not interested in PD, they're interested in BD.
Yes.
That's business development. I thought, okay, what else? Life coaching. And nowadays, I think, so life coaching and business development. So business coaching. So let's try that. And whoop, it went up. It went up from 15, 20 people in a free program to 150 people, 200 people in a program.
Amazing.
And that's I thank Suren for that. So there I got break even on my business. Before that, I've been making losses for a few years. And corporate training and all that was always a part of it. So basically, from life coaching to business coaching to video sales specialist. So I always got one person who told me, please focus on one thing. Please focus on adding more value and solving problem of people, because life coaching is a very, very general niche.
Yes.
A lot of people are already into it, trapped into it now. A lot of my students are also into that. So, Siddharth, if you allow me, I want to ask you, if somebody really want to do life coaching, still should we ask him to go micro, because that's what my case study says. That is also because a lot of people into
definitely. You have to start micro, and once they come into your world, then you can definitely offer other things. The consultancy. So even if you're a business coach, let's say your hook is going to be video sales, and they come inside, and maybe you want to do have other aspects of improving their business in other areas, maybe under sales, but other sales systems or sales strategies, or you want to open up another. That's the best way. So the entry point should be micro.
And micro to macro.
Micro to macro you can do, because once you have the audience is growing, then you see, ultimately what I've seen even in my community, I started with affiliate marketing. I mean, that was my core niche. I was teaching people how to make money selling other people's products, promoting ClickFunnels and everything else. And then what ended up happening was, based on the feedback I was getting from the community, I knew that this is the next step to take. So you start with micro, and the community will guide you in which direction to go after that. Yes.
Thank you.
So, I mean, for you, what was that journey of how long did it take for you to redefine from business coaching to video sales? Like, what was that journey like?
2 to 3 months, I must say.
Mm,
2 to 3 months, because I was very sure that I have to do this all my life. Oh, I
mm,
don't want to quit. I don't want to go anywhere else. It is what I want to do. So I
mm,
was totally focused into it, and it took a lot. It took a
mm.
lot of effort, and to decide one thing. Okay, video
Yeah.
sales specialist. It's so different, so new. What is video sales? First of all, people don't
Mm,
know about it,
mm,
and that's still the case. But still, people are understanding that. And now
mm.
I'm writing a book, Video Sales Secrets. So
Nice,
now
nice.
it has evolved that way, and people are
Mm.
understanding the importance of it. So yeah, 3 months, 2 to 3 months to consolidate and come out with a course, and
Mm.
yeah, so that's two to
Excellent.
three months.
And what about the technical side of things? Were you hands-on before coming into my course? And after coming in, did you get hands-on on it? What was that journey like?
Not at all.
Mm.
Not at all. Not
Mm.
at all, Siddharth. I pay you huge homage to you, huge respect for you. That now my company is a tech company. I feel that way. It's a tech company. We're talking about tags. We're talking about convert kits. Which
Yeah.
tag to put in, which automation, what sequence. Now we are talking all about that,
Mm.
and that's the beauty of it. That now, you shared that guy's video where he said that now every company is becoming a tech company and they don't know about it. And that
Yeah.
time I was sitting with my team. We have a very small team now, 2 3
Mm.
people. First we had 8 9 people,
Mm.
and we just saw each other and laughed at exactly that's what we were talking a few days back. Then now we become a tech company. So yes, Siddharth,
Mm.
it was you who told us all this is
Awesome.
possible with
Mm.
so less people. And
Mm.
I would if you allow me, I would like to get my team also. They would
Mm.
like to say hi to
Oh
you.
yeah, definitely. If they're there,
Because
that's awesome. Yeah.
okay, yeah, just give me a moment. So there is Pranay and Avatar,
Okay.
because this journey would have not been possible without these
Without
guys.
the back end support.
Yes,
Awesome.
yes. So these
Mm.
guys. So Siddharth is here,
Hey
and
Pranay. Hey,
Pranay.
thank you
Hi.
for the support. Yeah, good. What does Pranay do? What's his role
Uh,
in your
s-
team?
yes. So Pranay is majorly into emails. He's very tall. He's
Okay.
6 foot. He
Okay.
can't.
Okay.
Yeah, Pranay, you can just join
Yeah,
me
you
in
can
it.
just yeah pop your head in. Yeah. So you do all the emails. Okay. So Pranay does the emails, and what does Avatar do?
Avatar is majorly into graphics, video
Hmm.
editing, and customer support.
And customer support. Okay. Excellent. Avatar is there. You can pop his head
Avatar
in.
is not there. He is
He's
missing
there.
today. He work
Okay.
from home. He's
Okay.
in
Awesome.
Montreal.
Awesome. Great. So from a 8-member team, you just now have a 2-member team, thanks to
Two-member
the
team.
automations and all the system
Yeah,
setup.
thank you.
Mm.
Thank you so much.
Superb. Superb. Great. So what has been like, your, if you look at compare it to the previous model of you doing events, taking those hotel rooms and you'll have all these different expenses that are there. And then you'd have your advertising costs filling up the room. And you were probably profitable at that point of time. So when you compare the profitability of the offline versus online, do you have any metrics uh, that has popped
Absolutely.
up, which you want to share? Yeah.
Absolutely. Yeah, absolutely. So I would say that what happened was a lot of cost, I must say, on on that end.
Mm,
Hotels, a lakh of rupees of 70,000, like that. You book it, and then you
mm,
expect, God, people should stand up and go
mm.
back. People
Yeah.
should stand up and go back. Cost was really high.
Mm,
Um, in this journey also, cost was there. I would not
yeah.
say it was not there. As you said, that you have to invest a bit.
Yeah.
But as you scale up, then that cost is more of a fixed cost.
Yes.
On a hotel thing, it is more of a variable cost. Even if I
Mm,
do a workshop,
mm.
the more people I do, the more,
It's
the
based on head count. Yes.
head
Mm,
count. So
mm,
that is the great part, that once you scale up in this niche and online thing, then you don't have all that, and then you
mm.
have so I have not compared the numbers, but
Okay.
I think that it should be at least 30% of the cost compared to what I was doing,
Got it.
roughly.
Got it.
70% is the benefit.
Yes. Yes. I mean, definitely because of the tools, the automation, or team costs, you would have had a lot of team
Mm,
costs and people
mm,
costs that has been reduced
mm.
in this and replaced
Yes.
by Zapier and this and other tools. Yeah.
Absolutely.
Got it. Got it.
And I was
So
Hindi, so I found even cheaper tools. Like I go for Pabbly, even if it's a
Pabbly,
free
yeah, you always find
option.
alternatives. Absolutely.
So
Absolutely.
that's so you showed us the way, and then now we are running in that direction.
Yes, yes. Amazing, amazing, Jitesh. Great to know. So we covered your the entry, how you got into the space, and we also, I mean, you also shared about how you're able to implement the technical knowledge. Coming from a non-technical background, and now it's become into a tech company. Next thing I want to talk about is like what were the top three ideas which you learned in the Internet Lifestyle Hub that has really impacted your growth? Like any glaringly important top three, if you have to bring it down, what are the three concepts that helped you?
I have to solve a problem. If I don't solve a problem, nothing makes sense.
Mm,
In workshops, what used to happen, we used to speak so much for three
yeah.
days, around 40 hours.
Mm,
People used to get that, were able to get those bulb on moments.
mm,
But in this case, you have to be very, very specific, and you have to be in regular touch with the community. So you don't have that much time to, be just keep on speaking and they're listening. That's not
mm.
the game, because only 1 hour, 1.5 hours, maximum 2 hours, they're able to
Yes.
be there on Zoom. So you have to solve the problem of people no matter what.
Mm,
So the good part about this thing is there we were 40 hours together in 3 days, right,
mm.
in the offline world.
Yeah.
But I think when we are doing this online thing, I'm giving them 24 hours, say
Mm,
once a week for 1 hour.
mm.
For 6 months, it becomes 24 hours.
Yes.
So
Mm.
eventually, I'm giving less time
Yeah.
compared to those 40 hours, but they get much, much, much more value, and because it's spread across 6 months. So
Mm.
that's the best part about it, because that's not possible taking a hotel for 1 hour, and that's all not possible. Everybody
Yes.
coming, and so that's the thing. And then only I'm able to solve problem of people, because they
Mm.
need time. I can't vomit all my content and all my wisdom,
True.
whatever
Yeah.
got from my mentors and gurus, and I can
Mm.
just vomit in 40 hours
Mm.
and serve them in 3 days. They will be
Mm.
overwhelmed with it. They will think that this guy knows his work, and they will take the upsell. But that's not a problem solving approach.
Approach.
Now I think
Okay.
that way.
So that is the first thing. So you changed the approach from and adapted it for online with a very precise, systematic problem-solving approach. Any other things that has impacted you? Any other ideas besides this? I think you mentioned communities, maybe one of them.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, absolutely. Very big. Community
Mm.
has been
Mm.
crazy. This
Mm.
word, first I used to say I have a 3-day course
Mm.
when I used to do my web classes, live web class, the first free one. Now I say we have a community. You can join it. The
Yes.
fee is for the community, not for the course,
Mm.
because Gary said people will not pay you for the content. There's enough content. People will pay
Yes.
you for your time and your
Mm.
support which you give them.
True.
So I understood that, and there you also
Mm.
always said that it's community.
Mm.
So we ask people to join the community, and that's an energy exchange which we are having with you.
Yes.
So community building. I'm waiting for Siddharth tribe building.
Yes.
Very, 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 very
Decoding that.
excited.
Yes.
Yes, very, very
Mm.
excited for that.
Mm.
And because we want to serve people, and I think everybody wants to do a good job, wants to do a good business,
Mm.
wants to have a spiritual money, wants to have wants to give more value than the price which we take.
Mm.
And I think that's a great way. Community building is a great way to do that, because
Mm.
once your community is empowered, then they help each other, and you are just a facilitator,
Mm.
as Blair says.
Absolutely. Yeah. So problem solving approach, community building. Is there anything else that comes to your mind? The third aspect that
Mm,
any concept that has
Minimalism,
impacted
I
you?
would say. Minimalism. I
Mm.
was always fascinated with minimalism and essentialism
Okay.
with Blair.
Mm.
He was also very similar, because other coaches, and because this creed is different.
Hmm.
Blair, you, and this creed is really different, because they're not into show off. They're not into showing big results. For the materialistic results,
Mm.
which we'll say, it's more
Mm.
of serving. It's more of, okay, we are making good money, and that's why it's a percentage of money which has to go in that luxury. And now that percentage is the same, but the
Mm.
amount is big, so that now we can take. So it's very sorted
Mm.
approach towards it. It's
Mm.
very utilitarian, if that's the right
Yeah.
word. Utility
That's
based.
utility
Yeah,
based. Yeah.
utility based. So and I was always towards it,
Mm.
but getting even more clarity, because I think that's a big big niche or big philosophy which people need to understand, that what is the utility of something. If it's a Mercedes, then what is the utility of it? If it's a expensive pen, then what's the utility of it? So I'm going deeper in that, and I got a lot of insights from you in this.
Awesome, awesome, great. Yeah, thank you for actually bringing that out, because truly believe in minimalism, having less, doing more. That concept has really helped me also grow without really aspiring for too many material things. Yes, there are material objects. That's an aspirational thing to have, but there's beyond that. There's something. I mean, that's not
Yes,
the goal. The goal
that's
is
not the goal.
is more about having less, doing more. So awesome. So let's now shift gears into your funnel. Like, what is your process? How do you convert leads into sales uh, consistently?
Yeah. So I would also pay thanks to one of my agency who are helping me with my Facebook ads.
Yes.
Without them, we couldn't scale up so fast in the last 2-3 months. I understood the basics, but that micro testing of audience, that is something which I think that I was missing. That how do you do that, and they helped me with that. So in the last 2 months, they're helping some big guns of the industry gurus, coaching
Yes.
gurus, we can say, and they're Indians and doing a great job. So what they do is they run the Facebook ads,
Yeah.
and we've made a funnel, and the funnel is, it starts with a landing page which says about video sales secrets,
Yeah.
and I share the three sales secrets, and then people come in and they put their name, number, email ID. With God's grace, we're getting around 300-400 leads per day,
Super.
and the lead cost is little going up, gone up from 15 to 20 rupees now, but I think that's okay.
Yeah.
And then going next to the webinar. So what we do, we have immense webinar reminders to people, get them in the webinar, because that's the most logical thing. What thing we have
Once
to
in a
do.
week?
Yeah, no. So it's thrice a week
Thrice a week.
now.
Okay.
It's thrice a week now, because I want to take my fixed cost down, because the fixed cost remains the same. Zoom, I have to pay that much, whatever. ConvertKit, I have to pay a big sum, because the list is very big. So what I did, I tried that in last week. I tried it. The numbers are better. I've gone into much greener now. So I'm doing three a week, and we are getting around
Excellent.
300 people per webinar, and show ups. And so that's what I've tried. And then there is a webinar. It's a web class. I think I give enough value in the webinar, and then people join in for the first level 1 program,
And what do
December
you
11,
charge for your level one?
3,900.
3,900. Fantastic. Okay.
Yes.
And then what's your level two and level three? What kind of
Yeah.
pricing structure you have?
Yes. So level 2 is 12,900,
Okay.
and level 3 is 36,000. So
Excellent.
these are the things, and people are gradually moving. Somewhere I read or heard it. We think the funnel, there is, people are coming like water, and they're running. There is not water. It's honey.
It's honey. Yeah.
It's honey.
That's
It's
what I gave
slow.
that example. Yes.
I think, yeah, you only
Yeah.
gave it. So it's beautiful. Honey. So honey is traveling its own pace, and I
Yes.
want them to enjoy the whole journey and then take the decision if they want to.
Awesome. And do you do like a weekly inner circle call? Do you have any kind of
Yes.
hackathon kind of format?
Yes.
What elements are being incorporated for community engagement?
Absolutely. And I will also share one thing which is working good. So yeah. So first, what I did, I recorded the course, sold the course, gave it to people, and people took it excitedly, saw it for a few days, and then stopped. Everything stopped, because I was not doing weekly calls, right? And I thought, सिद्धार्थ को पूरा थोड़ी कॉपी करेंगे, थोड़ा थोड़ा कॉपी करेंगे. So we
Please,
thought
yeah.
that, let's do it our own way. That's a beauty which majority of the coaches think. We can't do the exact thing. So it'll be copying. But then I understood that I have to be in touch with them, because then what we used to do, we used to send them IDRs and WhatsApps and all. Are you taking the course? Have you completed the course? You want the next course? Whatever. But that's was not possible, and that's not happening. So I thought that, now I should do the weekly calls, because that's the missing link. They're not getting enough value.
Yes.
So then I started weekly calls. So yes, there is weekly call, one for the silver level, which is Friday 6 p.m. mastermind calls. And then there I took the second one is super brain. So I like the word, and I use
Nice.
it as super brain for the gold level. So
Okay.
gold level, Monday 6 p.m. is super brains. Friday 6 p.m. is masterminds.
Nice.
And once they do that, they enjoy that. They really enjoy it. We get good show ups, and people are enjoying it. And they're learning on their own pace. And so what I do is, so it's a video making, right? So how do you
Yes.
use videos to promote your business and services? And people put their videos on the
Mm.
group. So it's a WhatsApp group right now because it's only 190 people.
Mm.
So people keep putting their videos, and others also give them feedback. I also give them feedback on the group.
Okay. Mm.
Right, so that is, I think, working very, very well, because it's a
Mm.
video, so it can be shared, and
Mm.
that's working very well for us, and people are getting real value, and people are improving the quality of videos.
Yes.
And that's a good thing. Now what I also do is, um, after the mastermind call,
Mm.
if a lot of people are not able to attend that,
Mm.
I do a follow-up video.
Okay.
Follow-up video
Mm.
is 2 minutes.
Okay.
So whatever was discussed, I just shared the very, very gist of it, so
Mm.
people at least
Updates.
know.
Mm.
Yeah, so kind of updates. Yeah, so it's a 2 minute video. I use Loom, and I record it and send it to
Yeah.
them, the link.
Mm.
And then they watch that, so they know should I watch the replay or not, because they do
Mm.
exactly, so it's like a trailer, you
Trailer.
trailer
Yes.
to that, so
Mm.
that you miss that. If you think that you want this, then go and watch the replay.
Mm.
And
Also, I think that's
yeah,
a good idea. I think I should
yeah,
incorporate that, because
yes,
I've just been sending replay, but some people,
yes,
they don't know what's there inside
yeah,
that. Great idea. That's a superb one. So
thank
you
you.
do a weekly call, you do Super Brain for gold, and anything else? Are you doing any kind of challenge, any kind of gamification?
Yeah. So that's one very interesting thing. What I understood, I wanted those milestones, because you had milestones. Even I wanted milestones that people should know that they're moving forward.
Yes.
So I have 3 milestones,
Mm.
like yours,
Mm.
and the first one is, it's called a takeoff. So because,
Okay.
see, so this is a video sales star. So star is like a galaxy and all that. Huh?
Yes. Yes.
So it's a takeoff. So it's a rocket which just takes off
Mm.
when you put your first video on the social media.
Mm.
So that's your takeoff. So you have
Mm.
taken off, because you have to go to
Yes.
the star, become a star.
Mm.
So you take off that way. Then you have a leading star. So then you become a leading star. Now, leading star is not leading, is that compared to others, you have actually, from micro videos, which are problem solving videos,
Mm.
to now you have started making call to action videos. Because
Okay.
so now leading is a lead, it's an organic lead which you're getting. You're asking
Got it.
people for lead magnets. So
Lead
that
magnet.
lead
You're
magnet is a
driving
leading
them
star.
somewhere. Yes.
Yes, the lead
Mm.
magnet is the leading star.
Mm.
And then is the star finisher, right?
Excellent.
So
Mm.
freedom finisher, star finisher, the one
Nice.
who has started his Facebook ads and has the funnel.
Mm.
So that's so star finisher. So as the
Wonderful.
Facebook ad is the thing. So
Mm.
we took some time, made some cool graphics, and then people are excited now. I've taken off. I'm
Mm.
leading star, and then there's
And you give them badges and stuff when they finish. Okay,
yes,
excellent.
yes,
That's the way to go. Otherwise, I wish school was like this, honestly.
yes, yes,
Otherwise we would have a prize day and stuff, but I mean, nothing like, okay, this we moved up. I mean,
yes,
that's why this is working. I mean, a lot of people, they aspire to be in the Hall of Fame. That's the first level. Then we've got the Crore Club, and we have the Freedom Finisher, which is before that.
yes,
So
yes.
that really,
One more thing,
yes,
can I
yeah,
share that? Yeah.
please,
So
yeah.
one more thing I'm doing is a Master Action Taker Award. So
Okay,
it's not about making great videos. It's actually 3 parameters. If you follow these 3 parameters, you're a master action taker. The
okay.
3 parameters are, you have to make tech videos, at least one video a week,
Mm.
right? And the second one is, you have to be very active in the community and give feedback on videos and support whatever.
Mm.
And one more thing. So, and follow the formula, the script
Yeah.
writing formula, which we
Script write.
have. Script writing formulas, problem, ETR, CTR, a lot of
Mm.
5-6 formulas. You have to make videos like these only. You don't go, beyond that,
Mm.
because otherwise it becomes a lot of storytelling.
Yes.
Long videos. So these 3 things. Now, whoever does that, and that all happens on the community,
Mm.
whoever does that gets a monthly award. So it's a
Okay.
monthly award. Now, when you get that monthly award, like yesterday I had that. So it's kind of a Hall of Fame interview,
Yes.
what we are doing. So instead of that, someone who has taken a lot of, now I ask them, okay, let's go live together on Facebook.
Mm.
Right. So they're like really excited. And yesterday we had storyteller Neha with us, and, and so every month we have. So monthly awards is that way, the gamification, and then the milestone thing.
Yes.
So the 2 things have been
Amazing. All of you here, just type amazing in the comment box, because this is really awesome. Because if you don't include gamification into your community, or let's backtrack. If you're only selling courses, in fact, I'm just going to launch a video, tomorrow on YouTube, saying that don't sell courses. You have to build communities. Okay, so when you're building communities, you have to have gamification. If there's no gamification, you're going to see, nothing's going to work. I mean, you won't see people getting results. Just people just stagnate or they leave. So what I loved about your thing is you're implementing exactly all the modules. You're giving it your own unique flavor and twist to the whole thing, and again focus on results. And I think that's why now, you're going to have, you're building momentum. So over 190 people in your community, how many of them have you really seen like transform like popcorn, going from introvert to video stars?
Can't put a number to that, but there are few. I would say 5 to 10 people, who are actually transforming themselves, and they who never made a video are now very confident in making videos and promoting themselves. And I always tell them it's a gradual journey. Just can't start making videos and start selling. It's not like that, and I'm very transparent with that.
Yes.
So they know that they're getting confident. And the best part about video making is you get deeper into the content. So I remember when you will totally agree to that. So whenever, suppose you share 11 things about something, now those 11 things become a very basic or a standard thing for you after sharing it.
Yeah.
Now you need more advanced things, and your mind will always, think of
You're
those
looking for
advanced
new,
things.
a deeper insights.
So that 11, and if you didn't share those 11 things, you would think, I have a treasure, I have a diamond, I can't share it with people. These, the young coaches, we all have that sometimes, is not share that. And as we share it, now we are open to 100 more new ideas and 100 more advanced techniques. And that's what takes us to the national, international level, what I believe.
Absolutely.
So video sales is that you share whatever best you have, like whatever in the workshop I used to share the concepts. I started sharing in the quarantine masterclass. So when there was quarantine time, I shared everything what I had for free, because I was serving, and I was like, I not give it to people because people are so depressed and they don't know how the business, and I was into business coaching deep that time. So I shared all the content, and all content got finished. But I thought I got something, and that was video sales. I got deeper into that.
Yeah.
As I completed all the content I have, I got deeper into that. So that's video sales, and that's what.
That's such a profound insight that you brought out, which most people don't get it. Because once you're in this mode of giving, like learn, do, teach, which is the golden triangle which I keep talking about. Because once you're in that mode, as a coach, you'll actually be able to go deeper into the subject. In fact, probably one year back, you were a business coach, but now you know so much more about video than probably many people. And you learned it with so much of speed. And the learning curve would have been like a hockey stick learning curve, like in terms of insights, information. And now you're also probably testing out and trying out new models and new strategies when it comes to video itself. And after trying and testing, from that will evolve new formulas for getting the results faster. And I think that is the key element that the education system is missing out on, which is what we are doing here. Yeah. Go ahead. You want to share something?
Yeah. So new ideas, the one what we are doing. So how do you find your niche using videos? So that's what you're doing. Suppose you're business coaching, 7 pillars: marketing, sales, finance, product, R&D, management, Rajiv thing, right?
Yes.
So now what you do is, suppose you're gravitated to only, because business coach has to do all that. So you're gravitated to say marketing, sales, and management. So 3 pillars you're gravitated towards. So now you make videos on all three videos on. So make 9 videos. Whatever performs best is kind of your niche.
Yeah. You get to discover where people have an affinity towards.
Yeah. So you're solving problem, and great content is nothing but problem solving content. And people have that problem. Those 3 videos really got good views because there was a problem. People watched that, and there was a high engagement on that. So in a way, you're finding your niche that way. And
validation.
you could solve their problem. So it's your strength also, and there is an opportunity in the market also. That's what the niche is. So we're trying all that now. Videos.
Very nice. Very nice. Great, Jitesh. I think this is a great interview. All of you who are watching this, just please share in the comment box what were your top takeaways and top learnings you would actually want to see, and read all of those comments, and we'll be engaging on those comments. And those of you who want to know more about what Jitesh does, his video making process, in my YouTube channel description, there's a link to his website. Go check it out. And if you want to be a part of this community, the Internet Lifestyle Hub, if you're somebody who is not a part of this community yet, just go to internetlifestylehub.com and check out all the different membership levels that we have. And there is a starting point. You can get started, and you can be a part of this much larger community of knowledge givers and experts. And we want to truly transform the education system, the employment system, by helping people discover their true calling and their micro niche, and to create their own little bit of a small island on the internet. The internet is like an ocean. So now Jitesh has his own island of video making. I have my own island over here. We have Facebook, which is like a continent over there. Imagine if you have so many different islands that are being created on different problems that we can solve in the market, and we start to collaborate with each other. That's going to truly transform our entire society. So be a part of this community. I want to invite you. And I like to ask this question at the end, Jitesh, is if you have to, based on your life experiences, personal development, you've spent so much of money, time, and energy into this space. If you have to bring it down to one success principle that you live by and you'll continue to live by for the rest of your life, what is your number one principle?
Don't lie. Just be honest. I think that's the most important thing, what I think. Personal development, I think directly, indirectly, subconsciously, on the face, that's what they are teaching in a way, is that be authentic, be real, be yourself. Eventually it's being honest, being transparent, and whatever you're feeling, you're speaking, and
Absolutely.
whatever you are. So just be honest, and make your, so even if you're a speaker, coach, and trainer, especially these category who are speaking, you have to make your story so beautiful in the past that when you share it, that with full authenticity and full honesty, people are inspired by it, because people can get it.
Yes.
People can easily get it if you are faking in there. So personality development, PD, what I think is just being honest and creating a great story so that you can share it with people. And that's what my journey is from last 10 years.
Fantastic.
Trying to create that story to share.
Be honest, be authentic, and let your story lead the way. Yeah.
Yes.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Jitesh. All of you here watching, please subscribe to the YouTube channel. Please stay connected. If you're watching this on Facebook, there's videos there. Please tag a friend or somebody who can benefit from this interview, and pay it forward. Share this video and help others. Once again, Jitesh, congrats on this milestone.
Thank you.
Looking forward to interviewing you in the Crore Club next. And let's change the world together. I'm super happy to see the way that you're inspiring others with what you're doing, and we're on this journey together. Thank you so much. Yeah.
Thank you, Siddharth.